Hello everyone, welcome to the Zoom class and me myself Mohammad Faizur Rahman. I'm going to conduct today's class and the topic prefix and suffix. So before going to elaborately and going to the topic, we must have to know actually what is suffix, what is prefix and where I come from these two. And it's most important because in class 8, 9, 10, we have this. And if you could able to understand by give full attention, definitely this lecture will lead you to solve lots of suffix prefix. So the first technique of suffix prefix is that you should have to read the passage more and more to understand the meaning of the passage. Okay, if you understand the meaning of the passage, so you could able to write something. And I'm going to explain very easily method that you can easily do the suffix prefix. Before suffix prefix, it's come from the affix. Affix means what? Affix is one or more letter, but not meaningful. But not meaningful. That means we use some words which one is meaningless. Such as what? If we write Y or IC or any double S, we wrote after the word, ness, kindness. Ness is not meaningful. Hood, boyhood. So hood is not meaningful. That is called affix. 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 There are three kinds of affix in here. How many? Three kinds of affix. And number one, prefix. Number two, suffix. And number three, infix. I hope it is very unknown to you. Actually, when the class will be, definitely it have the full abbreviation. And more information, whatever we have, definitely we have to give input in here. So, prefix is what? We use prefix before the root word or base word. Root word or base word. So we use prefix before the root word. If you think that you have to write something, definitely you will make a note. Okay, so that it will be easy for you. And suffix is what? We use suffix after the root word or base word. So the most important to be looked in here, prefix is what? Before the root word. We use before the root word. Suffix is what? We use after the root word or base word. But infix is what? It's changed the meaning of its inside. It changed the meaning of its inside. That is called infix. So let me give you an example like this. Prefix like danger. Danger. We use endanger. And that's mean what? That is called prefix. And danger is the root word or base word. Like fall. B, fall. So that is called prefix. The B and N. Danger, endanger, and fall, befall. So here is N and B, both are prefix. Suffix example is what? Like blind, blind. So blindness. So blindness, ness, that is suffix. After root word or base word, what we will use, that is called suffix, and before prefix. Okay, like boy. So the word will come boyhood. So hood, suffix. Infix, I told you it's change, it's a new for you. Affix, infix, it's a new for you. Okay, so that is called it changes inside the meaning, the root word. Like able, ability, able, ability, that is called infix. I hope you understand. So step by step, if you give more consonant, so you could easily understand. So as I told before that read the passage again and again. That is the one kind of technique. So let me tell you again that so that you could understand. Okay. Prefix in Bangla it is called actually upasarga, and suffix it is called in Bangla protyay. According to the few scholarship person, it's analysis and give a good definition. A prefix is an affix, the word which is placed before the stem of a word, that is called root word. Or you may say a prefix is a letter, a group of letters that is added at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. That one was the short form, but along, if we analyze or give some definition, the definition will be like this. A prefix is a letter or group of letters that is added at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Like biotic, it will be antibiotic. So anti is a prefix in here. Okay, and suffix is what? A suffix is called the ending. That means after. After is an affix that is placed after the root of a word. Like read will be reader, ear, read, if we add ing, it will be noun, ing, reading. Okay, so that is the difference between prefix and suffix. But we, before doing the suffix prefix, one thing we have to read, because mostly they don't read the question first. That is the another one to be lagged behind. No one knows about on it. They don't give emphasis to read the question. Oh yeah, I know this one, isn't it? But it should not do, huh? Because you done several times suffix prefix, but you don't know what is root word, what is base word. Maybe you know. Okay, so I'm going to read for you here. Read the text below and fill in the gaps with the root words in the brackets, adding suitable suffix, prefix, or both. So that is the important to read the question. Then you will go to the passage. Okay. So what will be the formula we'll get from it? The formula will come prefix plus root word plus suffix. So the root word will be the middle root word. Yeah. Boy, I told boy, root word. But it will be depend on the passage which will be the suitable suffix or prefix. Okay, so the formula will come. Actually, we have to do prefix plus root word or base word plus suffix. So if you pointed the middle one, the root word, so you will be use prefix or suffix. But it depends. There are another formula. If you think that you have to point it, you may point here. Or I know you are not writing now because you will repeat it. You can see. Okay. So it will be like this. The most important, the format. What is must need to know to make the suffix prefix more easy. One is what? Noun. So noun plus adjective plus verb plus adverb. The four most important. Yeah. Noun, adjective, verb, adverb. And what are they? Parts of this. Huh? A group of words that makes a complete sense. Huh? It's called a sentence. And in the sentence, there are lots of parts. That's we have a parts. So we need to know the parts of this. So most important, you have to gather vast knowledge on noun, adjective, verb, adverb. The four most important. Okay, someone is asking hidden, what is noun, what is adjective, what is verb, what is adverb. I know you know all. Okay, so but how we will find out easily that all are put at the words in here, that is adjective, that is noun, that is verb, that is adverb. How? Okay, so if you think that you have to write, you may write, otherwise you may repeat these classes again and you see the video also. Okay, so let's find out the adjective. After the word in the last, if you see that it is an O-U-S. O-U-S. Have you seen fabulous? Fabulous, there is a word here. After there is the last portion, O-U-S. So that could be help you to find out that is the under of adjective. This word goes to the adjective, yeah? Okay. A-B-L-E, another point. A-B-L-E. Then I-V-E, A-R. I hope you understand that I'm telling the word which will be the given in the last portion, in the last letter will help you. The last letter will help you that it is under the adjective, yeah? Okay. So another way, A-R, A-L, N-T, F-U-L, like beautiful, yeah? Beauty. For doing, if you want to do the root word, it will be suffix or prefix. If you use suffix, so full, adjective, beautiful. Okay, then ed, ed. So these kinds of letters have you seen in the last, so it's gonna be a adjective. So very easily you can find out the word is the number of adjective. It's a parts of adjective, yeah. Okay, then noun. How you will find out that that is the word? I have to make it noun. You know, after verb, definitely after verb, definitely the word root word will be the noun. I will tell you the in my another class about it. Okay, how we will do in the passage. Like once, meant, shown, year, ILY, NESS, SION, URE, hood, HDD, ship, SHIP, dome, yeah, freedom, kingdom, I want kingdom, yeah, freedom. So that kind of freedom. So that is noun. That is noun to find out. So exactly how you will find out the verb? Okay. BE, EN, EM, IM. If you send this, it will be a verb. Now adverb. You are very familiar that what that is ly, adverb. Yeah, very good. So ly, long, way, word, WARD, word, wise. If you seen this type of, so definitely you can easily find out that it is adjective, it's a noun, a verb, an adverb. Yeah, so 4 parts are most important to be know. So I told you very easily that this, if you follow this one, you could able to understand, and you can easily find out there is adjective, noun, verb, adverb, most important for suffix and prefix. In another way, like Inaya is a very beautiful girl. Think it's a sentence. Inaya is a very beautiful girl. How many parts of this are put in here in a sentence? Let's see. Suppose Inaya is what? Noun. Let me tell you again the sentence. Keep it in mind, please. Inaya is a very beautiful girl. Most important for suffix prefix. Okay. As I told you, the root word, you have to follow the root word. Then you will do prefix or suffix after reading the passage truly. So here Inaya is what? Obviously noun. Is what? Is obviously verb. So noun plus verb. I'll explain you very easily, yeah? Then a or a is what? Article, right? A and the are called article, but these 3 are also called adjective. You understand me? And I'm speaking so slowly because only for that you could able to understand my voice. One class will lead you 1,000 classes. Just concentrate. Okay. So in a noun is verb, a, that means a, okay. It is also called adjective. Very, very, adverb. Beautiful, adjective. Girl, noun. So noun plus verb plus adjective plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. You feel confused why I'm telling this sentence. Actually, the words come from to be know for doing the suffix prefix. That's the 4 items I told you before. That is what? Adjective, noun, verb, adverb. Most important to be know. And I told you how you will find out that is the under of adjective, noun, verb, and adverb. So let me explain again. If you see there is a noun and adjective, and there is a bracket of that middle, what you will do? Definitely the word will be verb. If you go to the structure, yeah, like skipping, yeah, they'll rotate noun and adjective. So what will be the middle? It will be definitely the word will be verb. Okay, then go verb, then adverb. Verb and adverb. So what will be the middle? The bracket word, the root word was put it, definitely it will be turned into adjective. Huh? You understand? That is who plays know about saregama, sarega. So sa ga. So what is re? Yeah, that will be put it. So between these 3, that will be put it. So I'm telling about that. Why there is verb and adverb. So what will be the middle? Adjective. I gave the form. You can put it or not. Okay. And then go to the another skip is what? What there is adjective, then adjective. What will be the middle? Adverb. And then adverb, last noun. What will be the middle? Adjective. You understand? So again, I'll explain you. Inaya, I gave a sentence. Inaya is a very beautiful girl. So if you analyze these sentences, you could definitely know that it is the under of the parts of speech, adjective, noun, verb, adverb. So this four is most important to complete suffix prefix. I hope you will understand this, and if you think that it's a very hard, so inshallah in the next class we will again do it and try to understand. And definitely if you keep concentrate and if you repeat my video again and again, so it will be helpful for you. So no more today, see you in the next class. Have a nice day, and still I wish you all a good health. Stay safe at home. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.